queen, health enthusiast, and busy mom, finding ways to keep my family healthy and hydrated is always a top priority. That's why I'm excited to share with you the Waters Bio Mineral Pot, a state-of-the-art home water purifier that converts tap water into a 3-in-1 purified mineral and alkaline drinking water without the use of electricity. Not only is it convenient and easy to use, but it also ensures that my family is drinking clean and safe water that's packed with essential minerals. And the best part, it's cost-effective, saving us money in the long run.
Good morning! Isang ligtas at malusog na buhay mula sa Waters Philippines. Thank you for joining us today sa ating Waters product demonstration. I am Renz, and I would like to help you today to keep you healthy while saving you money. We want the best for our families. We want them to stay happy and stay healthy. At isa sa mga tamang paraan na dapat nating i-consider ay siguraduhin ang tamang pag-inom ng tubig ng bawat miyembro ng ating pamilya. 12 to 15 glasses of water a day. Pero sa panahon ngayon, importanteng i-consider ang kalidad ng inuming tubig. Is your drinking water safe? Nakasisiguro ba tayo na malinis ang ating inuming tubig at ligtas ang ating pamilya lalo na sa panahon ngayon? Ito ang mga dapat nating iwasan. Pollutants, old water pipes, chlorine and toxic chemicals, kalawang, buhangin, lumot, bad odor and bad taste, imitation pots, and most specifically, unsure handling of water refilling stations. Did you know, based on the recent findings of the Department of Health, 7 out of 10 licensed water refilling stations in Metro Manila do not fully comply with water safety guidelines. Dahil kung hindi natin maiwasan ang mga ito, it may lead to waterborne diseases such as E. coli, Staphylococcus infection, and diarrhea. Kailangan din nating iwasan acidic water in most refilling stations, boiling of water, continuous replenishment at panis na tubig, lifetime bottled water costs, and high cost of water purifiers. We are telling you this because water is essential to human body. Again, sa panahon ngayon, nire-rekomenda na dapat makainom tayo ng 12 to 15 glasses of water a day. Pero syempre, hindi lang basta-basta tubig, dapat clean at safe drinking water ang iniinom natin. Napakahalaga nito sa ating kalusugan. Alam nyo ba na ang water is a major component of our body parts? Ang pinakamarami ay ang eyes, 95%, blood, 95%, kidney, 83%, heart, 75%, lungs, 85%, and muscles, 75%. The amount of water in person's body changes with age. For instance, a newborn's body contains 75% water, while an elderly person's body has only 50% water. So, alam na natin na mahalaga ang tubig sa ating katawan. Water regulates body temperature, protects body organs and tissues, and carries nutrients and oxygen to our body cells. At ito na ang sagot sa magandang kalidad ng inuming tubig. The Waters Bio Mineral Pot 1000. Waters Bio Mineral Pot 1100 Semi-Automatic, Waters Hot and Cold, and Waterman. The Waters Bio Mineral Pot has received international awards for quality. It has also passed laboratory tests facilitated by its accredited testing centers, accredited by US FDA, Korea Quality Assurance, and Philippine Food and Drug Administration. It is also accredited by local and international certifying bodies. It has received different international recognition for its quality from France, Spain, and Korea. ISO certified by Korea Quality Assurance, ISO 14001 Environmental Management System, and ISO 9001 and 2000 for Quality Management System. It is also the official drinking water of the Olympic Games. The water's bio-mineral pot will keep you healthy while saving you money. Kung kayo ay nagpapadeliver ng 5 container sa loob ng 1 linggo, sa halagang 35 pesos, ito ay 175 pesos per week. 175 pesos times 4 weeks. That is 700 pesos a month. If you multiply that to 12 months, that is equivalent to 8,400 per year. And 8,400 pesos multiplied to 5 years, that is 42,000 pesos total expense. Now, if you invest Water's Bio-Mineral Pot for only 25,800 pesos, you will save 16,200 pesos. In your lifetime expense on your drinking water, you can save as much as 200 to 500,000 pesos. Isipin ninyo kung ano pa ang pwedeng magawa sa 200 to 500,000 extra. Marami pong naglalabasan na imitation purifiers in the market. Tignan natin ang difference nito. This product is made in Korea at gumagamit rin ng sustainable minerals from Japan. Your 3-in-1 purified mineral and alkaline maker, 3 benefits for the price of 1. Now, you can drink water that is free from pollution to prevent waterborne diseases, that is not acidic, helping to maintain healthy body pH, is clean and safe to effectively flush away the harmful toxins, that is free from bacteria and contaminants to reduce the risk of life-threatening illnesses, and it has no chemicals and chlorine or pesticides which will lower the risk of cancer. Is fresh and contains minerals, providing nourishment for our body. So, ano ba ang mga advantages na makukuha if you choose to own Water's Bio-Mineral Pot versus other water purifiers, imitation pots, bottled water, or water from refilling stations? Meron tayong tinatawag na faster chew. F for faster flow rate, 20 to 30 minutes faster versus 4 to 6 hours of other options. A, available nationwide. S, service, free cleaning service at Water's Quezon City head office. At meron din tayong mga servicing centers and stockist centers na pwedeng mag-check ng mga ito. T, for taste, masarap ang lasa, hindi tulad ng distilled or pinakuluang tubig. E, extra filters. May mga extra free filters din na kasama ito which will last for 3 to 5 years. R, reagent kit. Ikaw mismo ang maaring mag-test ng iyong tubig kung ito ay talaga bang purified, mineral, or alkaline water. C, cheaper than bottled water. About 1.57 pesos per liter lang. H, home delivery. Free shipping within Metro Manila at home after-sales service. Meron din tayong mga field technicians na maaring maglinis at mag-repair ng inyong mga unit sa inyong mga bahay. E, electricity free. Tipid sa inyong kuryente. Hindi na kailangan para ma-purify ang inyong inuming tubig. W, warranty. 1-year warranty against factory defect and lifetime service warranty. Ngayon, ipapakita ko naman sa inyo ang mga parts and filters ng Water's Bio-Mineral Pot. Ang unang filter ay tinatawag nating cotton sediment pads. Ito ay nagtatanggal ng putik, kalawang, buhangin, lumot, at anumang uri ng particulates na hindi kayang tanggalin ng pagpapakulo lamang. This is replaceable and disposable within a month or if it turns yellow. At mayroon itong kasamang 80 pieces na maaring tumagal ng 3 to 5 years. This is the first stage filter. This contains 50 grams of granular activated carbon. If there are 4 to 5 users in the family, this can last up to 1 year. May kasama itong 4 extra filters. 1, 2, 3, 4 extra first stage filters. Ito ay nagtatanggal ng hindi magandang lasa, kulay, at amoy ng tubig, at ganoon din ang chemical katulad ng chlorine at pesticides. Take note na dapat nating maiwasan ang paggamit ng chlorinated water, lalo na kapag ito ay pinakuluan. Nag-release ito ng THM or trihalomethane na carcinogenic at maaaring mag-cause ng iba't ibang colonic diseases. This is the main filter. This layer is a granular activated carbon to further eliminate the toxic chemicals in the water. This layer is the coral sand. It generates and balances 20 essential minerals. This is the silver impregnated granular activated carbon, helps to further kills bacteria. And this is the somelite or silver coated sand, which produces 7.3 to 8.5 pH level. Ang purifying capacity po nito ay tumatagal ng 3 years to 5 years, depende sa number of users at quality ng tubig. This is the sub-mineral filter. This filter maintains the freshness and delicious taste of the water. Ito ang tinatawag nating anti-panis. Tumatagal din ito ng 3 years to 5 years. At syempre, dahil gumagamit ito ng 3-in-1 state-of-the-art technology, tatlo dito ay talagang quality at lifetime parts na. This is the Alkalite biscuit. Ito ay hango sa tapayan o banga, and this filter changes the structure of water through infrared rays. It also keeps water cool, fresh, and delicious. Well, gusto nyo ba ng forever? This is forever. This filter lasts a lifetime. Hindi mo na kailangan palitan. Another lifetime filter is Nano Silver Bioceramic Filter. This is made up of materials that are non-pollutants such as silica sand, clay, activated carbon, silver, and material radiating infrared ray that helps clusterize the water into smaller clusters. This also contains silver, which helps kills and prevent the propagation of bacteria. Ito naman ang multi-electric pole magnet. This part magnetizes the water, which makes body cells more lively by changing the molecular structure of water from pentagon to hexagon. Ang hexagon ay katulad ng hugis ng ating body cells. Kapag tayo ay uminom ng tubig mula dito, tayo ay well-hydrated and energized. This part lasts a lifetime. This is the glass pot. Chemical-free compared sa plastic container na may harmful leaching effect. It can contain up to 6 liters of water. This is the cup, funnel, and pot base. Ngayon naman, i-assemble natin ang Waters Bio-Mineral Pot. Una nating ilalagay ang Nano Silver Bioceramic Filter. Sa loob nito, nakalagay ang Alkalite biscuit. Next, ang ating sub-mineral filter. Ngayon naman, sa ating funnel, ilalagay natin ang main filter. Next, ang ating first stage filter. Kakabit natin dito ang kanyang cover. Dito rin nakalagay ang cotton sediment pads and pad holder. Dito natin siya sa ibabaw ilalagay. There you go mga ka-waters! This is our Waters Bio Mineral Pot 1000 NOAA Plus.